Yo, we're back with the RSV, and we got some exciting news. If you watch my last videos, you might be able to see a few things that I've installed since then. I will be dropping like another updated detailed review. I am about to install the Rizoma Stealth mirrors. So here they are right out of the box. Let's see. And I will be doing an install video too, which will be interesting because I've never done them, but it can't be too hard, right? Here we go, hold on. Come on now. Here we go. Boom. So, here we go. Nice little insert there. Nice little hard insert, some nice foam protection. And if you guys haven't bought anything from Rizoma, it is insanely good quality. It's gonna be super hard for you to tell over the camera, but like all of this metal is super strong. You can feel like the durability even when you just twist these open. Like, damn, they keep going all the way. I thought they would stop. That's even better. But anyways, I know they make knockoffs of these. They're fine if you wanted to go that route, fine. Totally up to you. Your bike, your stuff. But the quality, I guarantee you, is not nearly as good as the Rizoma. The durability, you can just feel it. Anyways, so obviously the left front, the right. Same thing. Remove before ride. I think I might keep them on. Oh, nice. They do come. I was wondering about this. I hadn't even opened this box yet, but I was hoping they had some kind of plate to protect your paint from when you mount these things. So, let's see the quality of them. Okay, they're just like a rubber plate style. Should protect the paint nicely. Okay, without actually like watching any videos or anything, which I normally do, but just by like visually inspecting this thing, it doesn't look too hard. The only thing I'm concerned about is where the actual turn signal wires go and how to disconnect them. But anyways, let's see if you guys can see. There's gonna be, and I started taking them out. So there's one bolt here. It's a 2.5 millimeter Allen, another 2.5 here, and then another 2.5 here. So there should be those three, and then we're actually probably should have even started with this piece here. That's going to be a T25. Yep, T25. And so far, I just know of this one for sure. So let's get that thing out, and then there's most likely going to be another secured point in this area. All right, so after removing this little corner piece, you do have another 2.5 here, which should release this little inside plastic fairing here. Most of you guys probably know, but for those that don't, when you're securing these fairings, you don't have to over tighten them. This one here, most of these have like that metal receiver, which helps, but it's super easy to over tighten, strip the plastic, and that's never fun. So anyways, the one inside screw here gives you access to this, and then the three that I showed you earlier. This should, yep, look how loose it is. Come on out of there. Just gotta kind of finesse it. So, boom, boom, gives you access to these two bolts here, which hold the mirror on. This is my concern. It actually looks like it's just a plug here. This was just a plug. And it goes right in that top white plug right there. So these two here should give us access to remove the mirror, and these are to 10 millimeters. This thing should just come right off. New one should just go right back on, and as simple as that. Once you get it off, it should look like that. I like to just give it a nice little clean before we install, get a nice clean surface. The new Rizoma Stealth do come with new locking nuts, 10 millimeter, same thing. So you can just keep your, I like to keep all my old stock parts. It's benefited me before, so especially when you go through bikes like I do, it's nice to put all the stock stuff back on so you don't lose your money on the aftermarket parts. Let's get this on. Rizoma Stealth. Look at the difference. It looks crazy. Haven't put the inside pieces back yet, but especially against that black toolbox, you can barely even see it. Fits the name, right? The Stealth mirrors. I absolutely love the ability to close and open these things, which is so sick. So far I love them. I obviously haven't rode with them yet. They're not going to be as good as those, but damn, they look good. They look so good. Yeah, once I get both of them on, everything put back together, I'll take it out and give you guys a nice review in the sun. But for that, I figured we can pull this off together. Maybe. Yeah, here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yep, I'm gonna get this all put back together and then take it out for you guys and give you a review on some of the stuff that I've put on since the last video, and also give you guys a review on the Stealth mirrors.